Hi, this is Amanda Shortt with Turnkey Technologies. Today I'm going to show you how to easily invoice a customer based off of a project contract ID. In this example, you'll see we have project number 182 with contract ID 08. In order to invoice this customer, we'll go to the Project Management and Accounting module. In the periodic group, go to the Project Invoices and create Project Invoice Proposals. We'll go ahead and hit select here and change our criteria to match, to match our contract ID. Select OK and hit OK. You'll notice this pops up with an info log here that says invoice proposal 192 has currently been created. If you double click on this 192, it will automatically bring you to your project invoice proposal. From here, you can make any modifications you need, or just go ahead and select Post.